What's good, y'all? What's up? What's happening? It's Flyer Kicks, and welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, been working on a couple of projects with the brand, but I'm back with a new video, got a new unboxing for you guys for a hot pair of Jordan 1s. Like I said, I've been gone for a minute. That's low-key a good thing and a bad thing. It's bad because I haven't been able to post as many videos as I want to, but it's good because I got a lot of videos in the chamber now. I got a lot of shoes and I have a lot of unboxing I have to catch back up on. So you guys are gonna see all of these things that I've bought, all these things that I've traded for. I got some good content coming for you guys. Shout out to all of those new subscribers that have joined, man. I'm almost at 200. I believe I'm at 197 right before I posted this video. So, you know, we're growing, man, slowly but surely, man. Slow motion is better than no motion, and I appreciate each and every one of you. But let's get straight to it, man. Straight to it. These shoes. First off, man, shout out to Footaction. My local Footaction always hold me down, man. Every time, man. Just, I don't know what it is about this Footaction, but they always hold me down. As you can see, man, Jordan 1 box, OG, black and red box, size 11.5, you know. And the tag says Air Jordan 1, retro high, OG, black, starfish, and pale vanilla. Size 11.5 for your boy. Now, most of y'all probably already know what this is, man. So let's just get straight to these Shattered Backboard 3.0, man. Let's see what they talking about, man. Let's see. There's been a lot of talks, a lot of controversy about this shoe, man. Whether people are gonna like them or not, about the leather, about the complete cream bottom, man. But my final verdict, once I got them in hand, I love them, bro. I didn't think I was gonna like them as much. I knew I was gonna get a pair regardless, but these are a lot better in person with the crinkle on with the tumbled patent leather. I don't know who came up with this, but the pictures just don't do it any justice. If you guys kind of been keeping up with them, this is the 4th shoe in the Shattered Backboard collection, or the 4th high at least. They did the OG, which is like the bread toe style colorway. They did the reverse shatter, which is like the Chicago style colorway. They did a satin shatter, which is like the OG shatter, but all satin. And they came out with these with the bread color blocking, but with the full cream bottom. I like them, black and orange, you know, something very different on the Jordan 1. With the materials, of course, it just pops, they shine. As you guys can probably see from the light, man, the shine is like really popping, man. It's a patent, so you know how patent is, man. That shine on them is crazy. Now, these released this past weekend on October the 26th, I believe, on Saturday, October 26th. Now, released for $160, but if you guys keep up with like your foot apps and you use them pretty often, you know, you get the reward. So I actually got my pairs for $150. Pretty good, a little under retail, you know. Any saved money is good money, you know, I like that. I went and picked them up, like I said, from my local Footaction, man. I actually won 2 pairs. I won both 11.5 that the store had, so I went and grabbed both of those. And here we are, man. As always, you know, we're gonna get up close and personal with them. So let's just do that so you guys can see the details on them. And let me know how you really feel about them, man. Let's get straight to it. Now, getting up close and personal with these Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s. See, they came in the black and red, the OG Jordan 1 box. The label reads, again, black, starfish, and pale vanilla, Air Jordan 1 retro, OG high. Like I said, it comes in a regular box. Now, as soon as you see the shoe, as soon as the box opens, really, you can tell just the difference in this shoe and any other Jordan 1. Something about that patent and tumbled leather that they tried to combine on this shoe really worked out, man. As you see on the lace bag, it comes with an extra set of orange laces, and on the lace bag, you see the Jordan sign. That's been a way that a lot of people have been telling the real pairs from the fake pairs. So just a little detail for you if you're looking to buy a pair on the aftermarket. Make sure your pair has the Jumpman on the bag, at least on the men's pairs for sure. Nike Air on the tongue, Nike Air on the insole. You know, just overall pretty clean shoe, man. You know, I like the shine of the patent and then how they added the tumble in. And I also like this cream bottom that they put on there. It adds like a subtle finish to such a popping and such a vibrant shoe. It's so loud that the cream bottom really just adds a better touch to it. It just adds a subtle touch to it. Such a popping shoe, man, like I said. For those that are wondering like where the Shattered Backboard came from, after Jordan's rookie season back in '85, He went over to Italy to play in an exhibition game. And during that game, he had like a fast break dunk, and he broke the backboard actually. So that's where shattered backboard came from. And as far as the colors on their jerseys were, they had all orange jerseys with like black and white writing. So that's where the color combination comes from for the whole shattered backboard theme. So they tried to make the crinkle on the patent and the patent leather resemble like broken glass. So it was pretty effective, man. I like it. Now that just about wraps up this video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. We got the shattered backboard 3.0s, man, with the patent. Let me know how y'all feel about them. Leave a comment below whether you like them, you don't like them. You want to see some different colorways with this same type of material, man, let me know. But that's pretty much it, man. Until next time on our next video, peace.